Thank you so much for this well-timed panel discussion. I'm humbled to be amongst some seasoned academia, seasoned captains of industry. So allow me to start by just sharing a few remarks from my end, and then we'll get into the discussion. We will, as the panel, have just about 2 minutes of an opening, just some opening remarks, and then we'll get into the discussions. So from my end, from where I sit, I think the main question that I have when it comes to the work that the university is doing and its transfer to the industry and how we can change it and improve it, the main question that I have is, so what? So what have we done with the number of researches that have been done over the years by CUT? What have we done with the number of researches that ZO has done over the past number of years? We have, I think, over thousands and thousands of theses that we have in our hands that have been developed over the past couple of years. So what? What's next? What's missing? There seems to be a missing link between the research that has been done and the practicalization, the actualization of the work to make it feasible and viable and practical for the end user. Because in this case, when these researches are developed, they should have a problem in sight that they are trying to address. But it seems we are just ending at the formulation stage. We are not taking it the whole way to the implementation stage. The innovation hubs have come a long way in terms of trying to bring out that practical field of research, making it tangible. But is it reaching the end user? Does my grandmother in Urungwe know that the innovation hub has developed a fish feed? Do they know that? Do they know that the innovation hub has developed a cheaper source of poultry feed that they can use at the detriment of them running into losses because of buying expensive feeds? Do they even know that there are some sustainable IPM, integrated pest management practices that they can implement that a student from CUT has developed and he has a thesis sitting in the library somewhere? So I think there is something missing in terms of the linkages between industry and research in terms of the actualization of the work that the institutions are doing. A lot of good work is being done, but I think we are dropping the ball somewhere in terms of taking it the whole way, making sure that the whole value chain benefits, especially the end user, who in this case is the farmer, who in this case is maybe the industry owner, the stakeholder, who is the entrepreneur that you're trying to develop. It's not reaching that level. So for me, I think that's something that we really need to look at in terms of how we can scale up and disintegrate some of these technologies. If it means the university then also works with the village-based agents to actualize some of the researches that have been done. Not all of them, but at least a few should see the daylight in terms of the implementation. So I think from my end, those would be my opening remarks.